How's it going, guys? This is your boy OpenBrush2142 back with an unboxing. I failed with my other video I just tried. I'm gonna upload it obviously because it was an introduction to the unboxings, but I did the Balkan charger, which I'm currently using. It's plugged into my phone. As you can see, I'm tugging on the cable. And then I unboxed the Kraken Pro headphones. I'm gonna do a test on them eventually. But I cut the tape on the JBL Flip 4 and figured, well, why the hell am I gonna end up not showing the viewers? So, knife aside, don't need it. Let's take a look around the box real quick. So, alright, battery low, flash is unavailable. You get a 12-hour battery, IPX7 water resistance, party chain capability, and it has a microphone built in. It got the CES Innovation Award for 2017. There we go. All-purpose, all-weather companion. JBL Connect app. Does it go into party mode? Portable speaker. 12 hours of playtime. Waterproof, yep. JBL Connect Plus, which allows for parties. And if you see that blue flashing light in the reflectiveness, that is the infrared sensor in my camera, which helps to autofocus. Alright, and then in the box, there's a speaker and the charge cable. There's your frequency response, 70 hertz to 20,000 hertz. And then the rated power, there are 2.8 WRMS. Speakers, which is rated power, and you can use it with phones, tablets, and computers. Visit us at jbl.com. These are just JBL Connect thing. So, like for instance, this speaker is the host, and all these other ones are linked to this one. This one links to the phone and ends up connecting to all the other ones. So you don't have to worry about having a phone that has the feature of dual connectivity for Bluetooth, like the S8. And then this is a feature I wanted to show you guys. So there's a mural in here, right? You see the mural. Cool. Whoop-de-doo. Harman Kardon, guys. Harman is a really good company. But wait, there's more. Look at this. Like, look at the time they put into this. Like, it's so beautiful. We'll get back to this box in a second. Inside of here, oh, there's another box. Okay, we'll get to that box as well. Alright, inside of here we have, which may remind you, it's a nice box. Keep it clean. It's literally padded inside. It's really hard to see. I didn't bother turning on my other light. But you got two speakers on both sides. It is, like I said, JBL. I got camouflage because I like military kind of things. So there's a flap under here. Auxiliary in. And then micro USB charge port. And then it's got power. So it makes some noise booting up, which isn't too much of an issue, although everyone else in the house is sleeping, so somewhat of an issue, I guess. Let's go with the smaller box first. Let's see what's in here. Say what? Can you say real tree, please? Like orange camouflage. Are we going hunting or what? That's gonna come in handy, huh? Charge my speaker and my phone. Yeah, I'm sure everyone else has a cleaner unboxing, but you know, I don't care what other YouTubers say. I mean, being yourself is the best way to get subscribers. If you're trying to be like top-notch professional and shit, well, I mean, yeah, it's nice to be professional, but if you're not being yourself, what's the point of putting stuff on YouTube? Like, if I was to be fake like all the other YouTubers, like PewDiePie, and just be like, oh my god, this is like so cool, and it's like a freaking stupid game, then I'd be lying to my fans and the people that watch my videos. That's why I don't really give a shit. And that's why I don't really filter my language either, because, well, you know, if parents have an issue or you don't like my content, I mean, there's always that escape button on the browser, you know. But, I mean, don't let that fool you. Don't click that escape button, because everyone likes unboxings, and I don't have any video game systems right now to do any live streams or anything, so it's going to come down to everything I buy is going to be an unboxing video, or for the most part, as much as I can. Alright, so here's your quick start guide, how to end up setting up. It shows you everything. Voice assistant, JBL Connect. Like I said, that's the host. It streams to 2 speakers. The party. Connect app for the following features: firmware upgrades and device renaming. And then the other side continues. LED indicator. And this is just a quick start guide, and then we have, what's this one? It's all your legal information. It's the warranty card. Cool. And then this is the safety regulation packet. Important safety instructions. So, well, there you have it. That was the unboxing of the JBL Flip 4. there'll be more content coming later on as I get used to the speaker. Like I said, I am going to be doing more unboxings, so be sure to subscribe, stay tuned, and make sure you end up turning on the bell when more content is released so you can be the first one to view it. Go ahead and smash that like button. If there are any questions, concerns, comments, ideas that could possibly end up making my videos better, please drop them in the comments. I will reply as soon as I get the chance. I really want to end up getting subscribers and stuff and start doing more videos, so if you want to see more unboxing, smash the like button, subscribe, comment what you want to see unboxed that you have not seen before. I will hopefully soon be unboxing the Sony shelf speaker all in one box. It's the Sony MHC-V11, and it's a really nice speaker. So without further ado, this concludes our video. Stay tuned for more content. Drop comments in the comment section, and stay safe, all of you down in the southern region of the United States. It's getting rough down there. I know the struggle. My cousin lives down there, so. Alright, that concludes this video, guys. Holla at you.